everyone. Today we're going to be installing the M Performance brake and accelerator pedal on the BMW 3 Series. This is a 330i xDrive. Let's have a quick look at what the stock pedals look like. I have already installed the dead pedal. It's just going to be showing you guys the installation of the brake and accelerator M Performance pedals. These are what the pedals look like. Even though they have these screws, they do not need any sort of drilling whatsoever. It's a pretty simple installation. Let's jump right into it. Prior to installation, it's very essential that we clean the pedals. So I've already removed the rubber covering for the brake pedal, but nonetheless, before installation, just ensure to give them a very thorough wipe through. Installation of the accelerator pedal is fairly simple. It has these grooves on 3 sides of the pedal and nothing on the bottom, so it's a very simple slide from the top to the bottom. So once you have put in the pedals from the left and right side, it's a matter of just pressing down and sliding it at the bottom. Do ensure to press it down so that it has slid in all the way till the bottom. And that should be it. Putting in the brake pedal should also be fairly simple. Just ensure to pull out the rubber edges on the top, slide the pedal from the top, and then just start pulling on the rubber so that it fits from the bottom as well. Once fitted, it should be firm. And should be covering all the edges. Something like this. Once successfully installed, it should be a snug fit on the brake and accelerator pedals respectively. And there you go. Also, a quick note on the dead pedal. The M Performance dead pedal comes with 3M double-sided tape being stuck to the back of the pedal. So installation is fairly simple, where you just take your M Performance dead pedal and press it down onto your existing dead pedal. And that's what it would look like after successfully installing the M Performance pedals. I hope you guys found this video insightful. Feel free to comment and like this video, and do ensure to subscribe to my channel for future tutorials and DIYs. Thanks everyone. Have a good one.